This is a difficult time for diversity, equity, inclusion, and belongingness. In the past 18 months, there has been tremendous political and legislative backlash toward DEI programs. This includes 4 executive orders signed by President Trump in the first 48 hours of his second term. While much of this backlash may be politically motivated, that does not mean it's completely wrong. In reality, there have been problematic elements in DEI programs for years, so it behooves us to take this opportunity to discuss the current state of diversity, equity, inclusion, and belongingness. On Thursday, April 9th, I have the honor of doing just that when I facilitate putting the ROI back into DEI for ICF Colorado. During that session, we'll discuss 3 actions you can take to enhance the quality of DEI programs and boost an organization's return on investment. We'll also discuss DEI best practices and metrics you can use to measure key outcomes. Finally, I'll share you a simple paradigm you can use to remove the controversy from DEI conversations. So join me on April 9th when we will examine the current state of diversity, equity, inclusion, and belongingness and discuss putting the ROI back into DEI.